How to download Grubhub app on your PC. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. As there is no dedicated Grubhub app for your PC, you need to access Grubhub from its website. So once you're in your preferred web browser, search for Grubhub. In the search results at the top, you can see the Grubhub website link. Here you can see grubhub.com. So navigate to this website. After you are in its website, you can see this kind of web interface. At the top right corner, you can see the sign in option. Click on it. From here, you can log into your account. You can provide your login credentials over here. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now you can easily explore the Grubhub app from here. You don't need to download any apps for your PC. You can easily access its website. So that's it. That's how you can use Grubhub on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.